Come test drive the 2024 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.